I thought I was strong, I thought I was tough, but I guess I was wrong, cause I was burnt by your touch. I've never been afraid of heights, cause I've never fallen, but you made me fall so hard I hit the ground and now I'm crawling. When you're near I'm stuck on my knees, like I've been struck down, I'm so weak. I can only stand up when you're not around, cause you lift me off my feet. And your face is all I see, your aroma is all I breathe. You take me underneath your spell and leave me deceased. I'm stronger the farther apart, getting weaker the closer you are. You're my light but I want the darkness, cause I don't wanna see you make me heartless. You just reach in there and rip it out my fucking chest. I'm obsessed with you when you're around, I be down on the ground in a goddamn mess. You're making me feel like a grade school girl by the way I'm crushing, rushing to you, blushing, thinking of something to say, but out comes nothing, nothing. And right about now, that's what I'm feeling like. You make me weak when you're around, you're my kryptonite. Kryptonite, kryptonite. You're my kryptonite, kryptonite. You're my kryptonite, kryptonite. My kryptonite, kryptonite.